DA Bragg sues Jordan for alleged interference in Trump indictment. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg sued pro-Trump House Judiciary Committee Chair Jim Jordan Monday for allegedly using his congressional authority to engage in a brazen and unconstitutional attack on the grand jury indictment of the former president and the prosecutor himself. Bragg filed a lawsuit in the U.S. District Court in Lower Manhattan on April 11, seeking to dismiss a subpoena sought by Jordan, who also chairs the House Select Subcommittee on the Weaponization of the Federal Government, compelling a former Manhattan DA prosecutor, Mark Pomerantz, to testify regarding the office activities and his participation in a separate investigation into Donald Trump and his businesses. Trump, the first ex-president ever to be indicted for a felony crime, faces 34 counts of falsifying business records in the grand jury indictment unsealed on April 4th, which accuses Trump of attempting to cover up hush money payments to two women with whom he was allegedly associated with previously, porn star Stormy Daniels and Playboy model Karen McDougal. Trump and his supporters, including Jordan, have blasted indictment as being political in nature, with Trump also targeting Bragg by name with his outrage, which led to the prosecutor receiving death threats ahead of the indictment. Bragg alleges that Jordan, in his capacity as committee chair, is acting as a de facto defense counsel for Trump, seeking to use the federal panel in an effort to undermine Trump's local prosecution in New York. Chairman Jordan's subpoena is an unconstitutional attempt to undermine an ongoing New York felony criminal prosecution and investigation, Bragg said in a statement. As our complaint details, this is an unprecedented illegitimate interference by Congress by lacks any legal merit and defies basic principles of federalism. The Manhattan DA's office focused on the law and the evidence, not political gamemanship or threats. We look forward to presenting our case in court to enjoin enforcement of the subpoena. In the lawsuit against Jordan, Bragg charges that Congress does not have the power to supervise state criminal prosecutions, nor can Congress serve subpoenas for the personal aggrandizement of the investigations or punish those investigated. Manhattan Chief Prosecutor went a step further and alleged that Jordan and the House Judiciary Committee were participating in a campaign of intimidation, retaliation, and obstruction of the former president's behalf. Jordan has up to 60 days to respond to Bragg's lawsuit in federal court. That's all I have to say for this video.